What if one smart layer could stop your roads from cracking before the damage even begins? Meet HUESKER HaTelit XP, a game-changing asphalt reinforcement grid designed for modern road construction. Engineered with high-strength polyvinyl alcohol and coated with bitumen, it delivers the perfect balance of flexibility and durability. This powerful combination helps prevent reflective cracking, one of the biggest challenges in road maintenance. Its excellent adhesion ensures a strong bond with both asphalt and concrete surfaces, making it ideal for highways and urban roads alike. Easy to handle and highly resistant to installation stress, HaTelit XP extends pavement life, reduces costly repairs, and keeps roads smoother longer. This is innovation built for real-world performance.
This machine can lay perfect roads with millimeter precision. No guesswork, just pure engineering power. Introducing the GOMACO GP 2400 Slip-Form Paver, a high-performance concrete paving machine built for precision and versatility. Trusted across highways and major infrastructure projects, it offers 2-track or 4-track configurations to match any job site. With paving widths up to 7.3 meters, it adapts effortlessly to demanding conditions. Its advanced G+ digital control system works with stringline or 3D guidance, ensuring accurate grade and steering every time. The smart U-shaped operator platform boosts visibility and control, making operations smoother and safer. Designed for continuous, flawless concrete placement, the GP 2400 delivers consistent, reliable results where it matters most.
What if a single layer could waterproof your road and stop cracks before they even start? Meet the HUESKER Chip Seal Grid, a smart geosynthetic solution designed to reinforce and protect spray seal pavements. This advanced system combines a waterproof, non-woven geotextile with a high-strength biaxial grid, forming a powerful composite layer. Once impregnated with bitumen, it creates a strong moisture barrier that shields underlying pavement from damage. With excellent tensile strength and flexible installation on both new and milled surfaces, it significantly reduces reflective cracking and improves stability under traffic loads. The result? Better aggregate retention, longer-lasting performance, and roads that stay stronger, smoother, and more reliable over time.
Imagine a machine that can build an entire highway lane in just one pass. Fast, precise, unstoppable. Introducing the GOMACO GP4 Slip-Form Paver, a powerhouse engineered for large-scale infrastructure projects like highways and airports. Capable of paving up to 12.2 meters wide in a single pass, it delivers unmatched efficiency on wide pavement jobs. Its dual telescoping frame allows quick width adjustments, ensuring flexibility without compromising precision. Powered by the advanced G+ control system, it seamlessly integrates with stringline and 3D guidance for accurate grade and steering. Smart leg positioning and track steering make curves smoother and operations more efficient. Built for performance, comfort, and control, the GP4 sets a new standard in modern concrete paving. This machine can pave massive highways faster, smoother, and smarter than ever before. Meet the Vögele Super 2100 3i, a high-performance asphalt paver built for large-scale highway construction. Powered by a robust Cummins 6-cylinder engine with Eco+ technology, it delivers strong output while reducing fuel consumption and noise. With paving widths up to 13 meters and laydown rates reaching around 1,100 tons per hour, it handles long, continuous projects with ease. Its advanced Ergo Plus 3 operating system and Niveltronic Plus grade control ensure precise, user-friendly operation. Features like the Pave Dock Assistant guarantee smooth material transfer and consistent surface quality, making it a reliable choice for modern, high-demand road projects. Perfect road lines aren't luck. This machine makes every mark precise, clean, and built to last. Introducing the Hofmann H33, a high-performance road marking machine engineered for precision and reliability. Designed for modern infrastructure projects, it supports a wide range of materials, including cold paint, thermoplastics, and 2-component plastics. With adjustable line widths from 10 to 100 centimeters, it adapts easily to different marking needs. Its smart cooling system optimizes fan speed for quieter, efficient operation, while the adjustable operator cockpit ensures excellent visibility and control. Pressurized glass bead systems enhance reflectivity and safety on the road. Built for flexibility, accuracy, and durability, the H33 delivers professional-grade road markings every time.
What if road markings could stay bright, even in heavy rain and darkness? Introducing the Metalback and Farba SpotFlex, an advanced road marking solution built for maximum durability and visibility. Using a methyl methacrylate-based material, it forms a 3 to 5 mm structured profile that dramatically improves nighttime reflectivity and wet weather performance. Unlike flat paint, its raised dot pattern sheds water, keeping markings clearly visible even in rain. Designed for high-speed application, it minimizes traffic disruption while delivering long-lasting results. Ideal for highways and busy urban roads, SpotFlex ensures safer guidance, sharper visibility, and superior performance where clarity and durability truly matter.